What's up guys, Chicks there from Chicks Tech Reviews. So welcome to the bargain corner number 7. Well, today I've just come across an incredible flash sale, a very cheap bezel-less Android version 8 smartphone. So this is the ELEPHONE A4 4G smartphone. It's currently on a flash sale selling for an incredible $109. That's only £82 in the UK. So every day from now till May 28th, the first 60 orders of that day will get the $109 price. Thereafter, the price will go straight back up. And the sale will begin every day at 9 AM UTC time, and I've noted down some of the timings for your convenience. So let's have a quick look at the specs. You have a 5.85 inch 720p plus screen, 4G support, and the latest Android version 8.1 Oreo. Furthermore, the CPU is the MediaTek 6739 Octacore running at 1.5 GHz, combined with 3 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. You also have a single 8 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel camera on the front. This smartphone also has Bluetooth version 4.2, GPS, dual SIMs, a MicroSD card slot supporting a maximum of 128 gigabytes. The 3.5mm audio jack is there, and this phone brings you some innovation. The fingerprint sensor is actually located on the side, giving you a full screen bezel-less display, and this also supports face unlock. The smartphone is completely made from glass, just like flagship devices, so this is going to feel and look like an expensive flagship device. And you also have a 3000 mAh battery. So impressive specs and features for such a low price: fast charging, side fingerprint sensor, face unlock, all glass body, 18:9 aspect ratio, and you have the notch design with a full screen bezel-less display. And not forgetting, this is a smartphone by ELEPHONE, so you can expect quality as they have shown us in the past. And as they are saying, experience the future and let the full screen take you into the unlimited world. Are you ready for the unlimited world? I certainly am, especially at that price. So I just placed my order and thought this one would be a good one to share in the bargain corner. So you can pick this up right now for $109 US or £82 in the UK. So the flash sale is running till 28th of May. So if you would like to get your hands on this one, I will leave the links in the description for you to check out. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.